Welcome to the Long Road, Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy. Today's recipe of the week is Chicken Gnocchi Soup. Y'all just go ahead and hate on us in the comments if we didn't say gnocchi right.
I don't think there's another way to say it.
I heard somebody say ganache one time. It was kind of disturbing since ganache is a dessert thing. But anyway, this is also a try something new for us. And if you'll check in the eye in the sky, we're going to link a try something new that we did that was pasta e fagioli. That was a copycat of the Olive Garden version. And that's Joel's favorite. But I'm not a huge fan of it. I'm a huge fan of the chicken gnocchi. So
And I'm not.
And he's not. So we're going to try making chicken gnocchi today since we tried pasta e fagioli, which even after making it, I still didn't like it. So, all right, here we go. We are going to start by melting 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I don't normally measure out olive oil, but I've never made this recipe before, so I kind of stick to a recipe the first time I do it, and then I start playing with the different things in it. So anyway, we're going to melt that. Meanwhile, we also have some water that we're boiling right here that we're going to put the potato gnocchi in. And you do a really quick, it's like 3 minutes, it says. Never boiled gnocchi before, so that's a new one on me. But you do it for about 3 minutes in salted boiling water, so that's what that is for. And then we're going to be going to the next step as soon as this melts, okay? Okay, so at this point you would add onions, but if you follow us, you know that we're not fans of actually biting into an onion, so we never do that. So what this is garlic. That 2 garlic cloves that I've already minced, and carrots. This is 1 cup of carrots that I already chopped, of course. Okay.
And this is me putting in the celery that we don't have.
Yeah, well, you know what happened was this person's recipe that I got from Pinterest says you can add celery to this recipe if desired. I think, did she say she didn't like celery or something? I don't know. But anyway, she didn't put celery in it anyway. And because it wasn't listed in the ingredients, I never even noticed that instruction. So no celery this time. It's time for that to go in.
I'm going to need to keep an eye on it.
Okay.
I don't want to do is put that in.
Okay. This has to go until it's translucent. All right. Now it's time to flip the camera. Joel's doing this part just because he was on that side of the stove. We have a small kitchen, so whoever's on the left side has to do the work on the left side. And who's on the right side has to do the stuff on the right side. Right?
That's correct.
It's biting him a little bit, I think. You okay?
Yep.
There must be some other way to do that. Maybe
That?
well, I was going to say a ladle.
Like that.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. He figured it out. Like I said, first timers. We've never made gnocchi before. Oh, whoa. Okay. And what do you do from there?
You just let it go until it rises to the top.
Oh, yes. That's right. The instructions say when the gnocchi rises to the top, it's done. All right, so we're going to let that... All right, we are rising to the top now. Okay, so we're whisking in 1/4 cup of flour. And you let it cook for 1 minute. Okay, now at this point we are going to stir in the chicken broth. It's 6 cups of chicken broth. Just homemade chicken broth, so that's why it's in mason jars. Slowly stir in. Okay.
Well, that cat's out of the bag.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna turn that up because it says simmer until it starts to thicken up, but you'd have to have your heat on more than that to ever get it going. Okay, so now we're gonna add, by the way, it said to get thick, wait until it got thick. We don't know what level of thickness we're looking for, but we don't see why that would get any thicker than that. So, 2 cups of milk. And then you're going to bring that to a boil. So, I'm going to stir it, and we will stop it here and pick it back up when it's boiling. Okay, so now it's boiling. That was only like maybe a minute or 2. And now it says to add the seasonings, which is 2 teaspoons of parsley, and then just some salt and pepper to taste. And if you guys, I don't put a lot, I just do like that. And we're going to reduce the heat. Add the gnocchi in. Because like normal, pasta starts sticking to each other. Spinach. How much spinach you think I should put in there?
You better put all of that.
Okay. Because it says 1 cup, and I'm like, spinach is going to wilt.
And then it's going to look like that parsley over there. It's going to look like that parsley over there.
Like nothing. All right. Do what we want to.
Yep.
Okay. And finally, we're going to add in the chicken. And it says 1 pound, and we just, no, I wasn't thinking I could have done this with some spatchcock chicken. Hey, recipe alert. I'll put it up there. Anyway, but I didn't think about it. The fact that you were supposed to have it pre-cooked. So we just took out 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and boiled them and shredded it. That's, we figure from years of measuring that 2 chicken breasts is about the same as a pound of chicken.
And if it's not, who cares?
Yep, because Joel likes a lot of chicken in his food. A lot of chicken. Okay, so at this point, it just says to simmer until it's all heated through. So we'll just let it simmer for a few more minutes. And, oh yeah, it should be thickened. And if it doesn't thicken up, we're going to add some cornstarch and water to it to make it thicken up. Okay? Okay, we decided we want to thicken it up a little bit. So that's 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. What some people call, I think it's called a flurry. Correct me if I'm wrong on that.
Not McFlurry.
Nope, not McFlurry.
I would not eat that.
Now that would be really weird flavor. Okay. Alright, so we're just going to give that a couple of minutes to see if that'll thicken it up. Okay, we are going to go ahead and give it a try. We're hoping that that's as thick as what in my mind it should be. Joel said, you know, we could have used maybe heavy cream. It didn't say that in the recipe, but that would have been a really good idea.
All right, here goes nothing.
After the last time, I think I'll get my own spoon.
Yeah, me too.
You too. I didn't do it to you.
I don't want retaliation. You know what would really go nice with this?
What?
Cheetos.
He's making that joke, but he's literally going to get some Cheetos in a few minutes and eat it with the soup. He thinks of it like crackers or something. Goes with everything.
I don't know what it tastes like, so you're going to have to tell me. I mean, it tastes good. But it tastes fine. Maybe a little salt, but I haven't tasted
Well, we
one
can
of
put
those.
some more
I haven't
salt in it.
tasted one of those gnocchi things though.
Oh, wait. My hair. Gnocchi?
Yeah.
Or how about some ganache?
Yeah, that's
See, I did that to myself that time. We also made some bread to dip in it. So, because this is what I would be doing at Olive Garden.
all right. Well, I guess we give it a thumbs up. All right.
Yeah, I hadn't actually tasted the gnocchi yet. It's kind of weird. I've only been getting chicken and spinach, but yep. Yeah, I'll give it a thumbs up.
All right. So that'll do it for today. For the Long Run with Joel and Christy, I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell
Kind of weird
for
that we did
updates from us. Yeah, we did that backwards. It's all right. We'll probably do it again. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's going to do it today for our recipe. Big thumbs up there for the recipe.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel and
Yep.
watch our grocery hauls and meal plans
Yep.
because you get to vote on what's going to be the recipe of the week.
Yep. Like this video. Smash that like button.
Smash.
Subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that bell for updates from us. And I think that's going to do it for today. For the Long Run with Joel and Christy, I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.